So we're using these metal fasteners to fasten our Clubhouse system. They're a metal clip. It's got teeth on one end to bite into the board and a flat section to accept the other board, as well as that tiny little thing right there. That's the spacer that's going to give you your even spacing throughout your deck boards. So those fasten onto this pneumatic gun, which is loaded up with scrails. Put it into the groove of the board, push down, fire, and now you've got your clip in place, ready to slide your next board in.